This video will show you how to run a Kuzco node on your VPS. So if you want to earn rewards by running a Kuzco node, here's how to set it up on a VPS. First, get a VPS, of course, from a provider like Kuzco or Hetzner, and a minimum specs of 2 CPU, 4 GB RAM, and Ubuntu 22.04. SSH into your server using this prompt right here. Next is to install dependency. Update the server and install basics. You should input this prompts right here. After that is you should have this capability to install Kuzco node and clone the repo and build this one right here. Should get cloned, then you should go to this site right here. Then cd Kuzco. Next for that is you need to initialize the node. You should Kuzco init, put your code right here. Then step 4 is that start your node, download the Genesis and config from their docs, then run this prompt or coding right here. Use screen or PM2 to keep it running. And that's it.